It's a sunny afternoon and my friends will be here soon. We're going to the park to play. Fill my bottle at the sink with plenty of water to drink and stay hydrated on this beautiful day. I've got my football, my frisbee, my favorite toys with me. I'll share them all with my friends, and we'll have so much fun until the day is done. And I can't wait until it's sunny again. A sunny afternoon. A sunny afternoon. A sunny afternoon. A sunny I've got my sunscreen on to keep me safe from the scorching sun. And if I get too hot, there's an outdoor pool and I can dip my feet to keep me nice and cool. A sunny afternoon. A sunny